And then when you are in FiveM, in FiveM, just click on the top right link account, and then click on register account, and well, just going to mute it for you. Sorry, and then just type in whatever email address you want to use. Type in whatever username you want to use. Type in whatever password you want to use, at least 8 characters, and then just click on create account. Has already been taken. My email address, or what? My email address, okay. Okay, you're almost done, and then just, the sound is so loud, holy shit, and then just click on the activation email. Just going to do that on my phone. Perfect, and then we can click on check verification, and already done. That's already it. Our new account is linked, and we can click on continue and start to play. That's it's really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions left, just leave them in the comment section below. I'm always happy to answer them. Wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.